This is our Design Village project for Design 4 here at the COS Architecture Program. So we competed at Cal Poly Design Village. It was in San Luis Obispo at Cal Poly, at Poly Canyon. We had to hike this structure up a 1.5 mile hill. It was a big canyon that we were walking through.
No vehicles or trailers helping bring it up for you. You assemble it on the hill alongside, countless other competitors from other schools across the entire state of California. The whole overlaying, theme this year for the Design Village was resilience.
The concept came to us kind of naturally in one of our first design meetings that we had. Through the first weeks, we kind of broke off on our own, came up with a set of ideas, maybe 4 or 5 ideas each.
One of our teammates, Joel, he had a sketch of someone holding another person's hand and the other person was on the side.
It was this image of 2 guys kind of supporting each other or pulling one guy up from falling off of a cliff.
We thought that was perfect. It was a striking V shape held together by tension, because we're really our most resilient when we're supporting each other. We can work through anything and we can overcome anything.
And so that image of those 2 guys leaning, holding against each other, this popped into my brain almost immediately. That one spark moment kind of just snowballed, and this thing designed itself from there is kind of how I say it. It just made sense after that.
From Cal Poly to Sacramento to our neighboring community colleges like Fresno City, just to know that out of all of that, our hard work really paid off. And we're so happy that we could bring this win for not just ourselves, but for College of the Sequoias and for the architecture department here at COS, because it really means a lot. And I think it will show people how amazing this program actually is.